Imagine sleeping and living with 20,000 rats and eating their leftovers as prasad. And if you accidentally step on a rat and kill it, be prepared to replace it with a rat made of gold or silver. Because mind you, these rats are living ancestors in waiting. This is Karni Mata Temple, or as the world calls it, the famous rat temple of Rajasthan, just 30 kilometers from Bikaner. The rats here are treated as human descendants and they are everywhere, making it a marvel not just for the devotees but for the curious travelers from all over the world. But hold on, rats? The same creatures we run from in the kitchen? The ones responsible for diseases like plague which wiped out half of Europe's population in the 14th century? The very same? Well, yes, here's the story. It is believed that Karni Mata was an embodiment of Shakti. Although she was married to Deepaji, she chose celibacy and arranged for her younger sister to marry him, ensuring the continuation of his lineage. She then raised all 4 of their sons as her own. But then, one day, the youngest son, Lakshman, drowned in the pond while bathing. His mother, who was Karni Mata's sister, begged Karni Mata to bring him back. So Karni Mata carried Lakshman's lifeless body to the spot where the inner sanctum of the temple now stands. She locked the doors behind her and did the unthinkable. She confronted Yamraj, the god of death himself. When she demanded Lakshman's life back, Yamraj refused. But Karni Mata wasn't one to bow. She made a new law and declared that her lineage will no longer go to Yamraj and will rather stay with her wherever she is. And when they die, they will be reborn with her not as humans but as rats. And only when the rats die will they return as human charans. Thus began a sacred cycle of reincarnation, where rats are not pests but ancestors in waiting. In fact, this belief flips the entire traditional understanding of Hindu rebirth. Here, the caste identity is retained across lifetimes, even if the form changes. And therefore, the rats of Deshnok are not feared. They are fed, worshipped, and even wept for when they die. So while the rest of the world sets traps for them, Karni Mata temple sets food. While others flinch, here they fold hands. In fact, spotting a white rat here is extremely rare and is considered the luckiest of omens because people believe the white rat to be Karni Mata herself watching over them. While the legend of Karni Mata is centuries old, the current temple was constructed in the 1990s under Maharaja Ganga Singh of Bikaner. The rats here are called Kaaba, which means sacred souls. You'll find thousands of them nested near the murti, roaming near your feet, lounging in the kitchen or sunbathing on the rooftop. Each area caters to different rat preferences. Rooftop Kaaba get more grains and fruits, while the ones near the sanctum dine on laddus, milk, nuts, prasad and sometimes even liquor offered by devotees. In fact, rat-bitten food is given away as prasad here and the priest claims that nobody falls sick. In that case, why do we even care for hygiene? Why do we cover our food, keep our kitchens clean and call for pest control regularly? I mean, there's a reason why we say that cleanliness is next to godliness. And not just households. Railway authorities in Lucknow hired a company only to end the rat menace. Such is the fear of rats. They are not only a hygiene threat, but also a threat to our property. But it's also true that religion and rationality together can be a tricky subject and therefore it's best to discuss the two separately. Unlike regular rats, the rats of this temple are very comfortable with people because they are considered family. They will climb on you, rest on your shoulder and eat from your hands. Every year, thousands of people flock here to see this marvel. The temple is managed by around 600 Charan families. More than a spiritual experience, it's a homecoming for this community because these rats are considered their family members. Moreover, this temple is a bizarre example of coexistence. It flips the idea of sacred on its head, saying that even the most feared creatures can carry divinity. Whether you're spiritual, skeptical or somewhere in between, Karni Mata temple is an experience which will definitely challenge your beliefs. Because in this little corner of Rajasthan, 20,000 rats aren't pests. They are ancestors, they are protectors, they are family. No outside rat can find its way into the temple. In fact, the workers stay guard and ensure that predators like cats are always kept away from entering the temple. So, would you take the prasad given at the Karni Mata temple? Tell us in the comment section, and next time someone tells you rats are scary, tell them the story of the rat temple.